Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can print a document in Google Docs. So without further ado, let's go quick into the process. So first is you just need to open your Google Docs or if you're already in your Google Docs document, well, that's good. So here you will find that I have this Google Docs document. So what we can do, you will find this options right here, the symbols, and this one, the print option, or you can also press Control P on keyboard for the shortcut. Now simply click on that. And you will have the preview in here. So we have two pages. For the destination, click on this drop down arrow and you have to choose your printer. Okay. For the pages, it should be all. And for the copies, it depends on you. How many copies would you like? For the color, leave it as default. You also have here more settings. For the paper size, if you want to change it to A4, you can simply do that. For the pages per sheet, that's okay. And for the margins, that's okay by default. And once done, just simply click on the print button and that will be printed. Okay, so that's it. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.